Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. The mocktail name is Strawberry Sunrise. How to make strawberry sunrise? First of all, take a shaker glass and add 30 ml of strawberry crush. Then you have to squeeze on lemon or lime. After that, you have to add 200 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to add some ice cube. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients. Then add some. Okay. Then you have to add some granite syrup. That's it. And from the top of you have to add that orange juice. See how that fancy color came. Then garnish with if you're having orange, or you can orange slices or see your fancy mocktail is ready. This mocktail name is Strawberry Sunrise Mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. You can try this very fancy mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video and I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want to learn different type of mocktail. Every day I am going to upload some new mocktail in my channel. Thank you.